Hey there. I believe that having a business composed of several income streams makes you truly independent. You are leaving your day job to break free from your employer. So let's also break free from being a freelance business that depends only on client work. These different occupations will allow you to steer your business towards a certain direction according to the context, the time of the year, and even your moods. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, my client work dropped immensely, like around 50%. So having additional income streams allowed me to focus on other business areas and even boost them. So COVID-19 pandemic was challenging, but also gave me the space to develop other business areas for which otherwise wouldn't have had enough time. I feel that having diverse income streams had a big impact on the success of my business. This is something that I can realize now, which wasn't very, evident from the start out. Currently, I have several income streams: client work, workshops, online tutorials, my YouTube channel, speaking engagement, royalties from books, royalties from funds, my shop, and even this academy. So let me tell you how that developed in some of the cases. A few lessons ago, I told you that I wasn't born here in the city in Berlin, and therefore I didn't have many contacts and friends. So putting together my previous experience as a professor assistant and my knowledge in lettering, I decided to organize a lettering workshop. I thought it would be a good way of, putting myself out there while interacting with other peers. This first workshop I offered was for free. My thinking was very basic. I thought, if I don't charge for it, people will not complain if it was bad. And also that will give me the opportunity to have the room full of people and see if I was any good at teaching lettering. The workshop was really successful and people were happy. And me, for the first time, I experienced that I enjoyed sharing tools with others and enabling them to improve their work, just like I'm doing with you right now. So this first workshop later developed into a current, a series, and I was also invited to universities and by private companies to teach workshops to their teams. So these companies then will occasionally hire me to create artwork for them or redesign their logotype. Furthermore, I expanded this concept into online tutorials into languages, and I even published a book, The Golden Secrets of Lettering. I think you can see it right behind me, that was translated into 6 other languages. So that little seed, that small workshop, triggered all of these income streams: the workshops, the in-house training for companies, the additional client work coming from that, the online tutorials, the books, and this academy, this place where we are now launching your business. So you see how this is a little bit like a domino effect. And I want to clarify this. Creating income streams is not about doing different stuff, but about doing what you do in different shapes and formats. Of course that, it doesn't happen from day to night, but it's good to start thinking about it from the start. And please, let me get this straight from the beginning. You won't need to invest the same amount of energy on each one of your income streams, at least not at the same time.